This is a video to show how assignments over the next 3 weeks will be a little bit different. Not much difference between them, but nice to be able to show you the changes that have been made. Now, this is a teacher's view, so yours will look a little bit different from a child's point of view, but for the purposes of this video, there won't be anything much difference between them at all. It was the only way I could show you these assignments, as they don't go live until the 29th of June. So you won't see them until that morning. Now, in our assignments, and yours as well as ours, there's a huge list of assignments, and there's too many. It's getting a bit difficult now. So we've closed off all the old ones, so they don't actually disappear. They're sort of kept there, and you can still end up with a big long list of them. But if you come at the top here and push the filter button, if you go to week 1, 29th of June, or whichever week it is that you're completing at the time, it'll give you the tasks just for that week. So next week now, 29th of June, this is the kind of thing it's going to look like. Now, every year group's going to be a little bit different, depending on the age of the children, what sort of tasks they're going to be, that sort of thing. But everyone will have a grid assignment, as it were. It's not an actual assignment, but it's a way of pushing it out to you to be able to find it. So if we go into the grid, in here you've got a copy of the PowerPoint of the grid, where you can view, there's instructions there on how to complete the tasks, whether they're at home or in school. There's a copy of the table. All the yellow boxes, all the yellow tasks means that they will be done in school and not to be done at home. If your child isn't coming to school, then obviously these will be done at home. And we've done introductions on videos for you on YouTube. The playlist was shared with everybody via email. It's also on every single assignment as well, just so it's easier to find. But yeah, so there's introductions for each of these tasks there to help you at home. And then the last page then is the actual list of the links to all of the introductions. It's not for every task, but it's for those that we felt they were needed. If I close that. Also in these assignments, there is a PDF version of both of the learner pack for that week. So this is what you've been picking up from school to complete at home if you'd rather do it by paper and not do it on Teams. But it's here for you as well if you don't want to come to school to pick it up. If you'd rather print it at home, it's here for you. Everything in one place, and all you have to do is push print. There's also for this week an extra activities which covers the 3 weeks coming. And in here, you don't have to do any of these and things. It's more, they're just little ideas of things that you can do to keep you busy. You want something different, just jump in here and have a look, see if there's something different that you could do with your children to keep them busy and to help you out, really. Every task is going to have a due date and a close date. So next week, the 29th of June, is going to be due a week after. Because every week there's going to be new tasks out, they've got a week in which to do them in. So it doesn't close, it's due in on the Sunday afterwards, and the date it closes, the assignment closes, is the week after that. So they've actually got 2 weeks to do the tasks in, if anything runs on. But after that 2 weeks, you won't be able to submit any more documents. It'll be done and out the way then and closed off. Otherwise, we're going to end up with too many assignments open, and it's going to get confusing for the children. Now, if I come out of here, you lose your filter every time you come out. So go back to your filter, choose your week. And in a lot of Key Stage 2, they've got quizzes. One of the tasks are these maths quizzes, which you guys seem to really, really enjoy. So there's one task, but it's 3 different versions of it, of difficulty. So they're still continuing. So it's just going into the assignment, clicking on the task, on the form. It'll open it up for you, and then you write in your answers to the questions, and it'll mark it all automatically for you. The other assignments, there's one for every subject, and within these there's always the link to the playlist for you to find the introductions, and there's the specific link to the actual task that you need in there too. So just task 1 algebra in week 1 has got an introduction, and there's the link to it there. All 3 tasks are there for you to complete electronically. Have a look at the video I've done on how to complete assignments, and to give you a little bit of guidance if you're struggling with how to upload things, or that you'd rather do it online and not have to upload things in the first place, because you don't have to. Everything can just be done on that one document without the need for extras. But whatever works easiest for you. But check out that video anyway, because it might give you some ideas. So just to recap, over the next 3 weeks, you can filter your assignments to bring up just that week. There's going to be 1 for each subject, and all 3 tasks are within the subject. Your playlist is there. The links to the introductions are in there as well. You have a week that they're due within to be completed, and they close in a fortnight after they've opened. Remember, if you're ever stuck or unsure what to do or how to do it, send an email to your class teacher, and they will give you guidance. Or if you're having any technical issues with your logins or how to access things or anything like that, send me an email as well. All our emails are on the website, as well as in the user guide that you were given before. Okay, have a lovely weekend.